What would happen if the sun suddenly decided to throw a cosmic tantrum and we had absolutely zero warning?
No alerts, no early signals, no time to prepare. Just bam! A massive solar flare slamming straight into Earth. Today, we're exploring what happens if a giant solar flare, one powerful enough to shake our entire planet, hits us out of nowhere. Don't worry, it's not about the sun exploding or humanity turning into toast. Solar flares aren't giant space fireballs. They're bursts of energy and charged particles that mess with electricity, satellites, and anything that uses wires.
But what if a big one arrived instantly? Let's walk through this minute by minute.
Minute 0. You're scrolling your phone, maybe watching this video, when suddenly your signal drops. Not slow, not glitchy, just gone. Your phone becomes a very shiny brick.
Minute 1. GPS stops. Planes in the sky lose navigation. Your Google Maps blue dot has a panic attack and turns into a gray dot of hopelessness.
Minute 3. Satellites get hit. Some shut down, some reboot. Some just spin around like confused space pigeons.
Minute 5. Power grids start to overload. Those huge energy transformers, the ones we never think about, begin buzzing, overheating, and some literally pop. Imagine fireworks, but the kind nobody wants.
Minute 10. Large parts of Earth go dark. Cities go quiet. The internet fades out like someone unplugged the entire planet.
No memes, no streaming, no just 5 more minutes. We are officially offline. Hour 1. Banks stop. ATMs stop. Traffic lights stop.
Your smart fridge? Now it's just a regular fridge with trust issues.
Hour 3. News networks scramble to find ways to communicate. Radio becomes king again. Your grandpa was right all along.
Day 1. Airports ground every flight. Hospitals switch to backup power. Electric cars stop charging. People rediscover ancient survival skills like talking to neighbors and reading books.
Day 2. If the flare was strong enough, some transformers could be destroyed permanently, and those take months, sometimes years, to replace. Entire regions could be without power for weeks.
Here's the wild part. The sun has done this before. In 1859, something called the Carrington event hit Earth. Telegraph papers literally caught fire. People could see auroras all the way in the Caribbean. If that same event happened today, experts estimate the damage could be trillions of dollars, trillions with a T, and global power outages could last longer than anyone wants to imagine. The good news? A solar flare can't fry humans, but it can fry the things humans rely on the most. So what does this teach us? The sun isn't dangerous because it's hot. It's dangerous because it's moody.
And while a giant solar flare won't end life on Earth, it could press the world's reset button, whether we're ready or not.
That's why scientists keep a close eye on solar activity. And why most experts agree the real threat isn't the flare, it's our dependence on technology. If you enjoyed this simple, fun breakdown of a giant what-if scenario, hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me what you'd do in the first hour of a worldwide blackout. And subscribe for more wild, science-filled adventures. See you in the next What If?